Please like and subscribe my channel Cooking Shooking. Today I am going to make cake without beater, without oven. Now I am going to cut the coconut almond cake. 2 eggs, quarter cup oil, 1 tablespoon copra coconut powder, almond essence, half tablespoon, lemon color, 1 drop only. Now I will whisk the ingredients. Quarter cup sugar, grinded sugar. After beating the mixer for 2 to 3 minutes, now I am going to add half cup white flour, maida, spoon baking soda. Beat 1 to 2 minutes. Look at, there is no lumps at all. No lumps. Look, in the bowl as well, there is no lumps. This is butter paper, and after that I am oiling, greasing the pan. Tap it twice. Preheat the pan for 5 minutes. After that I am going to put the cake mold in the pan for 30 to 35 minutes. Now I am going to cut the cake. Wow, very tasty, fluffy and nice coconut almond cake.